Where's those goddamn chipmunks at? Huh? No chipmunks? Or the squirrels? Those bastards. Fuck them all, huh? What do you think? Yeah? Yeah? Fuck them in the ass? Fuck them 3 ways from Sunday, at least. Yeah? Maybe? What about the chipmunks? No chipmunk? Come on, Steve. You know you want a chipmunk. You want a chipmunk? What happens when you drink this? Yeah, that too. Well, what happened? Did the chipmunks get you? Huh? Rough night. Cops are showing up. Chipmunks are here, Steve. Hey, Steve. Steve. You gotta go in your bed. Hey. You need to go get in your bed, Steve. Okay? The chipmunk's gonna get you. What? Here we're all taking shots. Come on. Swig or go to bed. That's what's happening. Yeah. I want you to take a swig of that. Take a swig of that. There you go. What do you think? A chipmunk's gonna join us? Oh shit, I'll take a swig. This is how real men do it, folks. You grab the bottle. I'll cheers my brother with this bottle. Cheers. Good whiskey right there. Yeah. Hang on there, buddy. Hey, yeah. Huh? We're taking.
Oh, fucker.
What the fuck? We're taking pictures.
Yeah.
How much cheers?
Picture, man.
Hey, monstrous sons of bitches. Yeah.
Say cheese.
Yeah.
Say cheese.
Mexicans in the alley.
You can't have any of that. You gotta try to drink.
There you go.